DJI might be about to face a serious challenger in the drone world, and this could turn into a battle between industry giants. This week, images leaked of two different drone prototypes that are part of a project by Insta360 called Antigravity, or maybe anti-DJI. This news hit the drone community like a bombshell, and likely caught DJI off guard too. With technology evolving rapidly, both companies were moving toward the same goal: capturing immersive, 360-degree aerial footage. But it looks like Insta360 got there first. The first leak was posted by Igor Bogdanov on July 20th, and shows two prototypes in a testing area, both covered with stickers to hide specific details. He commented that while DJI was looking down with the Osmo 360, Insta360 was looking up, introducing the Antigravity project, which consists of these two different drone models. The second leak came the following day, and revealed more details of these prototypes during field testing. This model appears to be a compact, foldable drone, possibly under 250 grams, similar in size to the Mini 4 Pro. In fact, the motors look very similar and use the same propeller system. The drone doesn't seem to have a front-facing camera or obstacle avoidance sensors, but the most interesting detail is the pair of fisheye-style lenses, one on top and one on the bottom, designed to capture full 360-degree footage, which probably goes through artificial intelligence processing to make the drone invisible. This other model has different characteristics. It looks more like a lightweight, compact selfie drone with built-in propeller guards to give the operator more safety. It's very similar to the HoverAir X1 Pro Max. What caught my attention the most is that this model doesn't seem to have 360-degree lenses. It could be a drone with a front-facing camera, or maybe even a platform designed to carry an existing camera, like the Insta360 X5. If that's the case, it would be a bolder project, something along the lines of the Karma, GoPro's attempt to go head-to-head with DJI in the drone market. But the Karma had several technical and commercial issues, and ended up being a major failure. In this post, he presents a sketch comparing it to the drone, and highlights that the propeller guards are removable and attached directly to the drone's body to provide extra strength. However, when analyzing the details, the sketch doesn't seem to match the actual device. The central body and the propeller guards are quite different. On the same day, he also made a similar post about the other model, comparing the drone to a sketch. Here he highlights the technique used to make the drone invisible. The arms are positioned within the blind spot, and the motors are tilted outward and downward at a 20-degree angle for the same reason. DJI has also shown that it's using a similar concept in the Mavic 4 Pro, specifically in its obstacle detection and avoidance system. In this post, DJI demonstrates that it achieved a 66% reduction in blind spots, thanks to the repositioning of its new high-resolution sensors with fisheye lenses. These new sensors improved image clarity by 625%, compared to those on the Air 3S, which already had excellent performance in obstacle detection and avoidance. 3 years ago, Insta360 launched the Sphere project, which aimed to deliver 360-degree aerial footage, while making the drone itself invisible. The setup featured two cameras and a battery, all attached to the body of a DJI Air 2S using a strap system. It recorded in 5.7K and included a powerful stabilization system, with post-production enhanced by artificial intelligence, that removed the drone from the scene, and allowed the editor to choose any viewing angle from the footage. I believe DJI probably also has a secret project for a drone with 360-degree lenses, but it's likely not as advanced as Insta360's Antigravity project. There's no guarantee that these prototypes will ever be officially released, but they've already served as a wake-up call, clearly pointing to an emerging market trend. Now it's up to DJI to catch up and use all its experience and leadership in the drone industry to deliver a high-quality project that actually becomes a commercial product. If you enjoyed this video, Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have you checked out the other videos on my channel? They're organized into playlists, sorted by drone model. I'm sure you'll find something that catches your interest. Here's a quick preview of my most watched videos.